if you are looking for modern design smart lock, this FU700 is definitely suitable for you because this is using the push and pull handle and the surface is using the mirror design. So you don't need to worry about the scratch issue. And it already comes with the full feature like the key access, card access, password access and fingerprint access. It's very convenient. FU700 also comes with child lock to freeze the handle. User and volume setting is behind the cover, and this model is using 4-unit AA battery only.